Okay guys, today we'll be learning on how to design a logo. So it's just a simple logo I'm going to be designing. This logo is letter logo, like using alphabet to create a logo with shape. So that's what we'll be designing today. So we'll just go ahead and work on it. So I just want to use AL to design a logo. So we'll go ahead. So I'll just type the A first. I don't want to type the two together. I just want to type it separate. So okay. So just increase the size. You change the font. I go to my fonts. I want to use this font. This is it. So I'll just centralize it. Position it at the center. Sorry. So I'll just lock it for the meantime. You can see this is A. But what I want to do, I want to use AL. So let me just copy the alphabet and change it to L. Okay, you can see. This is A and this is L. So I want to try something and join it. I want to join it together. So I will just lock these two. Then let me add stroke to the L. Stroke. I just unlock them so I can just work on it separately. AL. So you can just change the font. This is the font me I'm using. So you now you can change to your own font, your own taste. So if you want to change the font, you can still go back. You can decide to use this. See how this one looks like. So it just depend on the font you want to use, and I can as well to change this. So it depends. Any font you want to use, you can use it. So I can just fix it like this. Maybe take the L to the back, so that the A will be at the front. Are you seeing? So joining it together like this, AL. Let me just add stroke to the A alphabet. Okay, you can as well see it now. AL. So I just lock both of them, or let me just merge the both at once, so that I just do what I want to do. I merge the both at once. Now they are now one. So I'll just increase. Now you are editing as an object. It's no longer like a text that you'll be editing. You are editing as an object. So I'll just place it at the center. Then I want to add texture. I don't just want to use a normal color, I want to add texture. So when you go to texture, so I'll add from my gallery. I'm looking for a texture. Okay, I want to use this. This is the texture I want to use. You can see the way it is now. AL. This is the texture I just added now. AL. Let me go back. You are seeing. This is just it. So let me work. Let me add color and see. Instead of texture, let's use color. Let's go back and use the texture. So this is the texture I'm using. So I'll just add stroke. You can see. Just add stroke. I can just increase the stroke. It's now AL. So I want to add shape to it. Cycle. I'll edit the shape. I will reduce the opacity. That is the inner. The fill color I mean to say, not the opacity. The opacity. Then I will increase the stroke. You can see I increase the stroke. I think this is better. Let me make it 18. So I'll just increase it. I'll just reduce this to it. Just position it at the center. And as well position the shape at the center. So this is it. I can as well match the cycle and the text. Just click here, then you click and you match the two of them. So as you can see now, you can see the way it is. And just reduce it. This is logo. Then we can just add. Okay, we can just emboss design. The emboss do not work, so you just use if your emboss does not work, you just use 3D shape. This is on perspective, so you just change it to oblique and you reduce the depth size, make it 3. Then you darken it, increase the darkness. If you watch, you see that the 3D format is having a kind of crack. It's because this simulate lightning is enabled, so you just disable it. Now you can see. I see the way it is now. So immediately you disable it, so it will be like that. Then you just come to oblique angle, just rotate it this other way. You can as well increase the depth a little bit again to your own taste. So you can see AL. So I made it 5. This is 5. So with this, just okay it. This is it. So if you like, when you are creating a logo for a client, the person will tell you, this is what I'm using it for. So you can as well add text to it. You can as well add text. So if you say AL, what can we add? We can say Elite. Let's say Elite. Elite. So you can just fix it here. Reduce the size. Then you change the font. And change the color. Let's use black. Now I can as well use spacing to space the letters. To make it look nice. So just so you can as well see now Elite. So I'll merge everything together. Just like this. If you watch, okay, let's go back. Just undo. I want to add a 3D format to the text before I merge them together. So go to 3D text, oblique, then just reduce it 3, and you disable this. So it's okay. Let me change the text color. White. Let me go back to the 3D and add depth 2. Then I'll darken it. And I'll rotate it this other way. Let me make it true and see. Depth color is 2, 3. No. 2 is okay. So can as well now merge it together. So everything is together now. So I'll just centralize it. Elite. So this is a kind of logo, like just using text and shape to create a logo. So you can as well do other ones. But presenting this logo like this will not be okay. So you can just as well, let me show you to mock it up. So I'll just go on to import. Okay, I'm not supposed to import. I'm supposed to use background setting. So let me use this. I don't want any white to show. Okay, so no white issue. So I see your logo. So you just look for a way to make it look better. Now we are going to try to present it. This is, you just want to present it as a mock-up. So the logo is just like this. You just make sure you make it to be as if it's lapping on the wall. It's something they draw on the wall. So you just position it very well. Then you go to, you see 3D rotate. You click on 3D rotate. Then you rotate. You can see the text is rotating this other side. You do like this, you can see. So you just rotate it to a way to look better. So I think this is looking. Let me go to 3D shape, public. Now just off, disable this. Now reduce this to, can make it as well 3. Take it this other way around. This is the Z rotation. No, let's not use 3D shape again. Let's just leave it like this. You just add. Okay, let's just rotate it this way because we need it to lap. So what you just do, you add shadow. You can see the shadow now is making it look as if it's lapping on the wall. Are you seeing? This is just it. Once you add your shadow, it will be as if it's slapping on the wall. So let's just adjust the shadow a little bit. So you can as well the offset of the shadow this other way to bring it to the left side. You can see as the shadow is moving, and you can still take it this other way to bring it down. Reduce this. You can as well reduce this. Now you can see this is what we call mock-up presentation of logo. So any logo you design, you just try your best. So I want to increase it to mock it up this way. AL, Light. So that's just all for logo design. So you can just save your logo design as project 3D logo, something like that. So I'll just add one. Then you just save as. Oh no. Let me increase. Then you just save as image. So that's all for logo design, 3D logo design. You know, if you present it the other way, I will just design it and we just leave it like that. Without mocking it up, it will not look that better. So once you just mock it up, it will be good and nice. So thank you for participating in this class. See you tomorrow. God bless you. I wish you good luck.